Hey guys, I thought I'd do a quick video to show you how to change the light configuration on the brand new Night Vapor from Horizon Hobby. I'm using my DX8E, so what you're going to do is you're going to press the trainer button 3 times. And you'll notice the light is blinking on the front of the plane. And then to change the light configuration for the front light, you're going to right stick forward and then press it over. And this is what changes the color. And you have 4 colors to choose from. This is how you do the front light. And if you want to change the back light, you can do that too. I'm trying to play around here really quick here to show you this. And to change the back light, what you do is you just do the same right. To change the back light, you do the same thing. You just move the right stick down. And this is what toggles the different colors. You can see blue, red, green, purple, white. And what's cool about this is you're flying with your friends and you guys have different planes and you want to do different light configurations. You can fly them at night and you won't get confused. Hope this tip helps. Oh, and to get out of the mode, just press the bind button 3 times. And then your plane is ready to fly. Hope this video helps, guys. Quick video. Share this, like it, subscribe. More videos like this coming soon. Tall Guys RC, signing out. Peace.